What's up everyone, it's Natalie here and welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, please be sure to subscribe if you guys end up liking this video. If you like this video, I'm sure that you'll like any of my other videos. I post a lot of like college related videos. Definitely like my favorite videos to film. This one is a college makeup tutorial, so this is just what I would wear like on a weekend or on a day out, or when I'm not like class makeup, but like sometime like if I'm going out with my friends or going out to lunch or something like that. This is what I would do, so that is actually my plan for today. So it was perfect, so I just got ready on camera for you guys. I'm going to be showing you guys hair, makeup, and outfits, and this video is sponsored by Movement Watches and Sunglasses, so I just want to give a big shout out to them and a thank you to them because the watches and sunglasses that they sell on their site are seriously so freaking cute. This is not my first video I have done with them. I really am a fan of the watches and sunglasses, and they're designer quality but not designer prices, so for being a college student especially, that's really important to me because, I mean, I can't afford that, so let's be real. When I'm trying to look cute and like all out and stuff, and everyone on the internet has like their Gucci belt and everything, I have this and I did not break the bank, so I consider that a win. If you guys want to get $15 off your purchase of any watches and sunglasses, or specifically the ones that I show in this video, plus free shipping, then click the link down below. Yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's get into the video. So to start with a fresh, clean, moisturized face, I am going to apply my foundation primer. This is just to make sure that it lasts all day long and it makes my skin feel super soft. And then I'm going in with this L'Oreal Lumi Glotion. It's one of their new products and I am obsessed with it. It is such a great product and an awesome dupe for the MAC Strobe Cream. Honestly, not gonna lie, I think I actually like it a little better. And then I'm going in with my Fenty foundation, and this is just one of my full coverage or fuller coverage ones. So if I'm going out for a night, I definitely want to have full coverage foundation, and the Fenty one is just my favorite one that I own. And after foundation, I'm going to apply my favorite concealer. This is my Laura Mercier one. I am looking for another one though, so if you guys have any recommendations, please let me know. I just apply it underneath my eyes, and I just feel like I want a more bright one because this one like does the job, but I would like to have one that's a little bit more brightening. So just give me your recommendations. But yeah, I just blend it out with my finger, and then I blend it out even more with a beauty blender, and then I just set my under eye concealer with my Laura Mercier powder. And yeah, that's just to avoid creases because I have realized if I don't set this one, it does crease. And then I'm going in with my Fenty by Rihanna bronzer. So this is the stick. It comes in a set of 3, but this is like the only one I use. And I just apply that on my cheekbones and on my temples and anywhere that you would apply bronzer, and I just blend. Today I wanted to do my nose too, so I just added a little bit of that. And after I blended out my contour, I go in with my Marc Jacobs Dewdrops. These smell so good and they are so pigmented, so I definitely recommend them. I put barely a tiny dot on my cheekbones and blend away because a little goes such a long way for this. And then I also apply it on my nose to give myself that little cute little button nose, and then I go on to my eyebrows. So I use my Anastasia brow powder. I've been really into brow powder lately instead of the stick, so that's just what I've been doing, and I just fill them in as usual. And now moving on to eyes, I'm just going to set my eyes with an eye primer. This is just going to make sure my eyeshadow lasts forever. And if you guys can't tell, I newly got eyelash extensions. I think I'm on my 3rd week already. So that's why my eyelashes look super long. But I'm using this Desert Vibes palette by Ibby Beauty, or IBY, I don't know how to pronounce it. But I'm just starting off with blending an orange color into my crease. It's kind of like an orange, burnt orange, I guess, color. This eyeshadow palette is so great for Coachella, so I cannot wait to wear it. But I always start off by blending a base color on my crease, and then since I'm looking for a more dramatic look, I'm applying a dark brown shimmery color onto my lid, and this just brightens up, or not brightens up, it makes it a lot more like sultry, so the opposite of brightens up, but that's the look I was going for. So I really like having a dark color on the lid. I think it makes you look so much more mysterious, so much more like a smoky eye. And then I apply a dark brown color into my crease, and I tried to apply it just on the outer edges of it and blend it into what I already had blended into the crease. You guys can see what I'm doing. This is pretty much like what I do on every makeup tutorial. And then I go back with the original color and I make sure everything is blended and there's no harsh lines. And just that it honestly all looks good together, blended nice and perfectly. And next, I'm going in with my Kat Von D tattoo liner. This one is my favorite eyeliner in the world. I'm never going to get another one. You can quote me on it. And then I'm just lining and winging out my upper lash line. Next, I'm lining my lower lash line with just a brown eyeliner. This one was so tiny, and I think I'm the most unattractive person when I'm putting on my eyeliner because I like keep my mouth open the entire time. But yeah, that's it for like the face, and then I go on to the lips, which you can't forget the lips, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm lining my lips with this Urban Decay natural lip liner. I don't remember the color, but it's a very natural, subtle one. And then I'm using the Sephora Collections lipstick, and I'm going in with my Fenty Beauty lip gloss just to add a little more of a pop. And that is it for the makeup. As for hair, I'm just going to curl it. So this is the process that I do when I curl. I separate it into 3 sections. So I'm doing the bottom section right now, and I have a wand. This is, I believe, a 1-inch wand, and I just curl it in separate directions, and then I leave about an inch at the bottom so that it looks a little more beachy. And then once I'm done with that, I take another section and I leave a tiny section at the top. This is super self-explanatory, but I've actually never shown this on camera, so I wanted to show you guys. And then again, I do the last layer, and I just like run my fingers through it to make it look a lot more messy and natural. You guys enjoyed this video. Again, thank you so much to Movement for sponsoring this video, and if you guys want to get your discount, so $15 off and free shipping, definitely click the link down below. Comment if you guys like this video, and also comment if you're in college or if you're in high school. I would really love to know. So, and I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.